Hello friends, how are you? I hope everybody is doing fine. Today I bring a very interesting topic that relate to the job hunting. If you remember, we have started a series that started from preparation of the CV, and I will carry on this to all stages. So today we have reached to the stage that suppose you have got an interview call. So what you should do after getting an interview call? What preparation you should do? Trust me, if you follow these 10 steps which I'm going to tell you, I'm assuring you that there are very highly chances that you are going to get the job. What are these 10 steps? Let's start the video now. Before I start, I request all of you to watch this video till end, and I'm sure that you are going to get a lot of benefits from this video. Trust me, apply these 10 tips and comment me when you come back from after the interview, and I'm telling you that you are going to get the job. There are very high chances for that. That all I'm going to tell you based on my 25 years plus experience of the job. So the first thing what you should do is plan your day. How you will plan your day. You have to make your day free and complete all the tasks which you are going to do on that particular day. Suppose you get an interview call after 2 days, and on these 2 days make sure that you don't have any extra work. For example, you take my example that I have to take my kids from the school during the lunch time. So I never keep that time for any interview, either it is online or offline. So make sure that you fix your jobs, you complete all the tasks which are on your routine for that day. Second is that before going to the interview, you should visit the company website. You must have heard that you visit the website, but what you need to know from the website, you don't need to learn everything. You just see that from what time this company is existing, and how many years is it, a new company or existing company. Normally you can see the accounts also there. So for those who are going for any accounts and finance job, they can find that what is the health of that company. For marketing and sales people, they can see that what are the sales and volumes and how much market share they are covering. Normally these things are covered in the information. For HR related people, they can see how many staff are working, and are or basic people are intact in this company or not. So you should see all these information, and when you speak about these information during the interview, it will be a good you will have a very good impression on the interviewer. Then you should understand the office location. What I mean from that point is that you should understand that where you have to go. I prefer, if the area is new, or if I am in a new city and I'm getting an interview call, so I personally go take my car and use the Google map and start navigating from my house to that place. You will find all the diversions, all the U-turns, all the extra journey you have to take, because in the daytime you won't have time, and you have already a pressure of the interview. So make sure that you go to that area, and that area is not new for you. in the interview day. Next is try to fix the interview time, which is normally not in the peak rush hours of the traffic. For example, in my city where I live, the rush hour is starting from 12:30 noon, 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. Yes, because the schools are off and a lot of people are already on the road. So from 3 to 4:30, the traffic is not very much. So try to make a time like this, so you don't have to waste a lot of energies, and your mind cannot be diverted towards this area. Next is sleep properly before the interview day. For example, you have tomorrow is the interview day, and make sure that you sleep properly, so you are fully energetic and you have all the positive and relaxed mind when you attend the interview. Make sure that you are not awake or sleepy, or which gives any impression that you are lazy during the interview, and that can damage your personality during the interview day. So make sure you have a proper sleep and you are relaxed mentally and physically. Next is dressing. Dressing is very important in the interview. Appearance always makes a difference. I'm going to make another video on that very soon, that what dresses you should follow. But for this video, you should be well dressed, you should wear a suit, you should you should have a proper beard. If you are already having beard, you should have a clean shave, properly shaved if you are clean shave, and your hair should be proper, not messy, and it does not in short, no impression should give any nothing should give any impression that you are having a messy look, and believe me, that destroys your personality. Next is before you go to the interview room, make sure you reach to the location before 10 minutes. You relax yourself, because if it's hot, so you can relax, you may go to washroom and fresh up yourself. Maybe you can keep a small perfume in your pocket, and just make yourself fresh, and take a small comb and make sure you comb properly. So these things, when you enter to the interview room, and it gives a very positive impression with your fresh look. And normally the interviewer gets very positive things when anybody who is coming for the interview have a proper look, is already fresh. So make sure that you use these things, and make sure that you are very fresh during the interview, before you reach to the interview hall or room. Next is rehearsal the interview. This is for the beginners who just enter into the market, or just fresher who are going for their first interviews. Make sure that you rehearsal yourself in front of the mirror. You ask, suppose somebody asks you a question, that tell me about yourself, and you answer properly, and you answer everything, and just by sitting in front of the mirror. When you see yourself in the mirror, and when you hear the echo of your voice in your ears, believe me, you will feel like something is going on, and you might not feel good. So that is a practice in advance you are going to do, and when you make the same thing in the interview, you won't have to face the problems. So make sure you make a proper rehearsal before going to the interview. Another important thing is that when we receive an interview call, we feel very shy. We feel that if we ask details about this job on the phone, it will give a negative impression. No, it's wrong. You have to ask each and everything relate to that interview. I mean, before you are going to that interview, you may ask, you have to make sure that what is the post of the job, what is the company, what is the complete address. You may ask the location on your mobile, so you don't have to search, and you may not get a chance to miss or reach to other location. You have to ask that which person you have to meet, which floor, which office, each and everything you should ask and note down, and make sure that you are on a right direction and you don't have to waste time here and there. Because what happens that when you are already when you reach with tired mind, with fatigue mood, with less energy, it will your interview may take effect due to these factors, and you might not do well during the interview. So make sure you are fully informed, and you are fully knowledge about these things, so you don't have to divert your attention here and there. Last but not the least, that before don't be so excited. Normally what happens that if we receive this happens normally in the beginning stage, that when we receive an interview call, we feel very excited. Oh, we got an interview call, and that excitement makes you mistakes, and you don't feel good. Some people are over excited. Oh, we got the interview call, we will get the job. No, this is wrong. Sometimes you get the interview call from the company where you are already looking for, or you are targeting for that company. It's a very good organization, and you get an interview call. So make sure you are not so much excited. You are you are calm and relaxed, and you don't have to you are not so excited, you are not over pumped, and you are just going with relaxed mind. Just treat it as an opportunity, because it might go in either way. So these are the 10 steps. I hope if you follow these steps, there are very high chances that you will get the job. If you have any question, any comments, please write in the comment box. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and circulate this video among your network. Maybe this video will help for anybody. Thank you very much for watching the video. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.